On February 13, 2024, officers initiated a traffic stop involving a driver whose license was suspended.
Hey, how you guys doing? My name is Officer Shackman. The reason I pulled you over is that your registration is expired. I'm sorry.
What registration?
Yep, the sticker on the back of your plate.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Did you guys get your IDs and proof of insurance real quick? Appreciate that.
Granny, I got my grandson.
Okay.
Please don't. That's my grandbaby, because I know y'all police would be so weary. But that's my grandbaby.
Okay.
You need me to let my window down so you can see that's my grandson?
Yeah, if you don't mind. Yeah,
I swear,
I
don't
appreciate
shoot my grandson.
No, nothing like that.
Do not do that.
How you doing? No, we're not.
My daddy is an ex-retired sheriff, Larry Wise. Please don't shoot my grandson. I got it.
We're not going to hurt your grandson.
I got you. I swear to God, I got you. I didn't know that was expired. That's my license.
Do you have his ID as well?
Who?
In the passenger seat.
No. You pulling me over?
Right.
That's his right. You pulling me over?
Right.
Let me call. Do I need to call my daddy? He's an ex Larry Wise.
I'm just asking for his ID as
well.
No.
You pulling me over? I'm the driver. He's not the driver, so I don't think you should get his. Okay. You know what I'm saying?
Is this address still?
Yeah, that's current. It's
okay.
current.
What you guys up to tonight again? I'm sorry.
Huh?
What are you guys up to tonight?
Nothing. I had just dropped my daughter off. I'm older.
Okay.
So I have a 30-year-old and a 29-year-old, and I have a 21-year-old. And I just dropped my daughter off because she go to Africa to get her hair braided. Mm-hmm. And I work at the St. Clair County Mall. I'm security. Okay. I work at the mall, and I dropped her off because I have to be at work. I don't have time to do all that. So we kind of work together. So yeah, that's all it is. I got my grandson. Okay. My daughter, she works too.
Can you do me a favor, please? Can you just turn your car for me?
Yes, I don't have a problem.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay.
Is there anything illegal inside the car at all?
No. You want me to get out?
Okay. Yeah, if you don't mind, real quick.
Yep.
I appreciate that.
Can I call my dad? I want to video everything that's going on.
You are more than welcome to video.
There's so much going on right now.
I understand. And we're just trying out here to keep everybody safe, you know.
I understand. So that's why I said if you can Google my daddy name, Larry Wise.
Okay.
He's retired.
All right. Now listen, that's a problem.
What's a problem? Hold on. I ain't even got my video started. Let me get my Facebook video started. Let me get my video.
What's
up?
Man, do you mind just stepping over here a little bit for me, please? Thank you, I appreciate that.
What I'm saying.
Let me turn it over.
No problem.
I got you, baby. Everything. We just going live. I'm just going live. Look, and I'm showing you, baby. I'm just letting you know we're going live. Because that's the only way you're going to be safe.
Is there any weapons inside the door?
No, you're more than welcome. I got my grandbaby. I just want y'all to shoot because my grandson is in the back seat.
Okay.
Too much shit going on right now.
Do you mind if I search the car?
I don't want you to search my I don't want you to search my car. Even though I don't want you to search my car, period.
Okay.
I'm not drunk, bro. Okay, that's what we're disagreeing.
Even if you was intoxicated, I'm not.
So what's going on, Joe?
But when people start not listening.
Well, I'm just telling the peasant job, so I didn't do nothing.
No.
You can film.
No.
You can film. That's fine.
Look, if I gotta call my daddy right now, he's an ex-sheriff for St. Clair County. I will call him.
That's fine.
I will call him.
That's fine.
Y'all ain't gonna play us like that. You guys, his name is Larry Wise. LarryWise. Call him or Google him, whatever you need to do. You're not gonna do this shit to us. And I'm telling you, mother, I'm not gonna do this bullshit to us.
Step back over there, please.
Okay. I'm letting you mother know you're not gonna pull that bullshit with us. None of is your name, dude.
Hey, ma'am,
no.
Yes, sir. My name is
What is his name? I want everybody badge, number, name, or whatever. My daddy is Larry Wise. Listen to me. I don't give a I ain't been a chef for 30-something years.
Come talk to me.
He's been something for 30-something years.
Ma'am, come talk to me over here. Ma'am.
White ass cop, racist ass cop.
Come talk to me.
On some bullshit.
Come talk to me.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, well, we don't have to yell.
I'm sick of this racist shit.
There's no reason to yell right now, okay?
I'm letting you know who he is, and I'm spelling his name. Larry Wise, W-I-S-E. He's been a sheriff for so many years. I'm calm. I hate this.
Just talk to me. Just talk to me, okay?
I'm talking to you.
Okay. We're just trying to make sure everything's okay.
All right.
You understand? Okay.
Look, I got my grandson.
I
think it's
understand.
my
I understand.
Well,
nobody's gonna get shot. Nobody's getting shot here.
My grandbaby is in his car. My grandbaby is in his car.
I understand.
People say they understand, but they really don't understand. I just got off work. I'm not gonna lie. He is intoxicated.
I am intoxicated.
But I just got off of work.
It's my wife. I'll take a picture for everything else,
Ma'am, I need you to put your hands behind your back for me, okay?
Okay, wait, hold up. Come on, let's do one thing.
I need you to put your hands behind your back. Yep, hands behind your back.
Wait.
Hey, phone in your pocket before you get before it gets dropped, okay?
Okay.
Ma'am.
Okay, I just want to make sure everybody is, that's all I'm doing.
I'm going to accept this.
Okay.
Green place under arrest.
I got this. Okay.
Ma'am, stop.
That's what I'm saying.
Ma'am, stop.
Can I call my daddy?
Nope, not now.
Can I call
Ma'am.
my daddy? Can I call my daddy?
Ma'am, stop.
I'm not supposed to. That's what I'm saying. I can't call my mother daddy. Because y'all so mother tough. I can't call my daddy.
You can call him later, okay? These too tight?
No, they're not.
Okay, let me lock them so they don't get any tighter on here, alright? Hang on.
Can y'all get my grandson the phone so he can call my daddy, please?
We'll make sure he's in here, okay? Come back to that car.
My grandson.
What's that going on?
I got my grandson in the car.
Okay.
That show how disrespectful y'all is. Y'all don't give a fuck about family.
We'll make sure he's okay.
Y'all don't give a shit about nothing.
Hop back here for me, okay? Watch your head.
Well, why is y'all arresting me, though?
Your license is suspended.
Oh, well, all right. Okay.
Watch your head, okay?
All right.
Okay. This is the issue that I have. One, you're slow on us when we try to stop you. You pass multiple times.
I'm not driving.
I know you're not, but I'm explaining you as a vehicle. Okay. Multiple times this officer asked for your information. All she did was cut you off. I asked for your information. I have cause to identify you because you have open alcohol all over the place inside. That gives. Listen. I don't like to be interrupted. Okay. You refuse to identify yourself, at which point I told you to get out the vehicle. You have to identify yourself. You have to. 100%. You don't, I take you to jail. Let's make that clear. Okay? That is why we got to the point we did there. She has her own little issue. Now, the other issue is not only do I find the empty little baggies everywhere, you're on parole, too. You're not on parole? You discharged? When were you discharged?
I've been on parole for about 4-5 years.
And I'm finding a bunch of little baggies in your little man bag, which is indicative to narcotic distribution. So that's what I'm doing.
I'll be having this for her alone.
That's the worst excuse I've ever heard. Okay, so that is what we're doing right now. I'm conducting a search of the vehicle based on the open alcohol. Listen, I'm explaining. All right, everybody wants an answer, but nobody wants to listen and wait for it. Okay, so all this hooting and hollering and carrying on isn't doing anything for your cause. It's not going to make us go away.
I'm not hooping and hollering. I'm
Not as much as her, I'll give you that. Is there anything in this vehicle that is not? Honesty is going to go way far with me.
It's real with me, man.
Okay.
I promise you, and never know.
I mean, usually, I know the feds can be petty, but usually we got them little thresholds.
I cooperate with y'all guys all the time. I cooperate with y'all.
Let me get your phone.
Yes, sir. I cooperate with y'all the whole time, man. She really got over it, man. Ain't nothing wrong with that, man. She cool.
Your little recording thing's still going on.
She ain't got no warrants or nothing. Man.
No, she's got a suspended license.
So why y'all just want to take her and walk off with us, man? I love my wife, man. For real, we from
because our policy is for Class A misdemeanors, we have to go back in the process.
Come on,
Go argue with them, babe. Babe, please. Babe, go argue with them, babe.
Okay. We don't have class right here, do we? Yeah.
The woman was charged with disorderly conduct and driving on a suspended license. Thanks for watching today's video. If you haven't already, Please like and subscribe for more content.